Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but a trusted companion. Welcome to the era of Claude 2. We're living in an age where AI is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and Claude 2 stands as a testament to this rapid advancement. Developed by the innovative minds at Anthropic, a startup co-founded by former OpenAI executives, Claude 2 is a text-generating AI model that's breaking new ground. This AI marvel is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. It has managed to outshine its predecessor, Claude 1.3, in multiple facets, from scoring higher on exams to demonstrating proficiency in coding tests. Not only has Claude 2 been trained on more recent data, but it also boasts a context window of a whopping 100,000 tokens, enabling it to generate and analyze vast amounts of text. But like every revolution, Claude 2 also faces its own set of challenges. It's not immune to producing irrelevant or potentially harmful responses. However, the folks at Anthropic have taken careful measures to mitigate this, making Claude 2 is twice as good at generating harmless responses compared to its predecessor. Setting a new benchmark in the AI industry, Claude 2 is just the beginning of what future AI can achieve. So what makes Claude 2 stand out in the crowded AI market? Let's dive into the specifics. Claude 2, the brainchild of AI startup Anthropic, is the latest text-generating AI model that's making waves. And it's not hard to see why. This model is not just a revised version of its predecessor, Claude 1.3, but a significant upgrade that's pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. One of the key features that sets Claude 2 apart is its ability to generate and analyze large amounts of text. Thanks to its context window of 100,000 tokens, this AI model can maintain a longer conversation and provide more nuanced responses. Imagine having a chatbot that can remember the entire conversation, not just the last few sentences. Now, that's a game changer. But that's not all. Claude 2 has shown marked improvements in various areas compared to Claude 1.3. It's scoring higher on multiple choice exams and coding tests, showcasing its ability to comprehend complex information and apply it effectively. This makes it an invaluable tool for businesses looking to enhance their operations with AI. Of course, like any AI model, Claude 2 is not without its limitations. It can sometimes generate irrelevant or even harmful responses. However, Anthropic has made strides in addressing this issue, claiming that Claude 2 is twice as good at giving harmless responses compared to its predecessor. While the specific metrics are not disclosed, this is a promising step towards creating more reliable and safe AI. Despite these limitations, businesses are already seeing the potential in Claude 2. Companies like Jasper and SourceGraph are piloting this new model, leveraging its capabilities to drive their operations forward. And with the ongoing improvements, it's only a matter of time before more businesses follow suit. With such capabilities, it's clear why Claude 2 is fast becoming the go-to choice for businesses like Jasper and SourceGraph. While Claude 2's capabilities are impressive, it's the impact it's having on the AI industry that truly matters. This revolutionary AI model isn't just making waves, it's redefining the standards for AI models across the board. Claude 2's advanced text-generating capabilities, its improved ability to provide harmless responses, and its significantly larger context window of 100,000 tokens all contribute to setting a new bar in the AI world. It's a model that's pushing the envelope, encouraging other AI developers to step up their game and innovate further. But it's not just about the advancements in the technology itself. Claude 2's influence can also be seen in the business decisions of major tech giants. Take Amazon, for instance. The company recently made a $4 billion investment in Anthropic, the AI startup behind Claude 2. This isn't just a testament to the potential they see in Claude 2, but it also marks a shift in Amazon's AI strategy. Previously, Amazon was content with offering access to third-party foundation models through its platform Bedrock. But with this new investment, Amazon is not just buying into Claude 2, but also ensuring it plays a more direct role in AI development. It's a bold move that shows just how much value they place on Claude 2's capabilities. This investment is also a clear sign of the competition heating up in the AI industry. Tech giants like Google and Microsoft have been making their own strides in generative AI and large language models. Amazon's move can be seen as a way to catch up and make its own mark in this competitive landscape. Yet, while the competition is fierce, it's also a sign of the exciting times we are living in. The advancements in AI are not just about one-upping each other, but about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Each new development, each new model, like Claude 2, brings us one step closer to a future where AI is an integral part of our everyday lives. Claude 2 is not just an AI model, it's a game changer that's reshaping the AI landscape. As we stand on the brink of this AI revolution, one can't help but wonder what's next. Just imagine the possibilities with Claude 2 at the helm. With its ability to generate and analyze large amounts of text, we could see a revolution in sectors ranging from customer service to content creation. Think about it. Companies could use Claude 2 to power their chatbots, providing customers with more accurate and informative responses. Content creators could use it to generate ideas or even write entire articles. The possibilities are endless, but with great power comes great responsibility. It's important to remember that Claude 2, like any AI, has its limitations. It's not perfect. It can still generate irrelevant or even harmful responses. That's why it's crucial to use it responsibly, especially in sensitive areas like physical or mental health. And let's not forget about the competition. With tech giants like Amazon investing heavily in generative AI, we can expect the landscape to keep evolving. Who knows what exciting developments the future holds? The future of AI is here, and its name is Claude 2. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to stay updated on all the exciting developments in the world of AI.